Hello, I'm Tom Barron from Proximity Learning, and this is Canvas in a Minute. We're continuing with our grade section, and I think by now you should all know how to get to the grade book, so you can do that part by yourself, but we're on the grade book of any course you have. We're going to find out how to message students who. So this will be sending out a message to multiple students. Let's look at one of our assignments. Anyone, click on the three little dots. I'm going to click on this one. Haven't graded it yet, but I see there's quite a few students who haven't submitted this. So I'm going to click on these three dots, and there's a button that says Message Students Who. You can click on that, and you see automatically it comes up with Message Students Who haven't submitted it yet. And there's a few different options you can do if you click on this. You can do haven't been graded, scored less than, and then you can put in a number, scored less than 50%, or scored more than if you want to, say good job. And subjects are already filled for us, and I'm gonna put in a message. So I just put in a message there, hello, please remember to submit this assignment as soon as possible. And I send this message, and this will go out to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, to the 6 students who haven't submitted it yet. So go ahead, send that. And there you go. You've got that message sent out to all those students. This is a great tool to use for reminding students about assignments, if it's past the due deadline, or even if it's a big project and it's maybe before the deadline and you want to remind them about it. That's something you can use. This is also key if a lot of students have forgotten something. So maybe it's an assignment that's combining an audio clip plus a writing section. If many students forgot the writing section or the audio section and they only got 50%, you can message all students who got 50% or below and remind them to attach that other file if they forgot. All right, that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.